Hi, dear Aries. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a general love reading for all those who are Aries and Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay, and this is a reading from 1st of May till 10th of May. So, we will tap into your partner's energy, their feelings for you, your feelings for them, and what they want from you and what you want from them, and the potential outcome. Okay, till 10th of May. So, let's see your partner's energy right now is the Queen of Cups. Aries, your partner is deeply in love or they are deeply emotional about something or someone in their life. Okay, this is their current energy. So I feel like this person is feeling lots of emotions, lots of overwhelming emotions for something, but they are stable emotions. They are not like immature or they are doing something shitty. No, they are mature emotions and they are beautiful emotions. So these are their feelings right now. Okay, how they see you, how your partner sees you. Queen of Cups is a very beautiful energy of love and nurturing and creativity and emotion. Okay, how they see you, how this person sees you as the Emperor. I feel like this person sees you as somebody who is very adamant, very rude, might be sometimes. They see you as somebody who is like not willing to change or willing to adapt according to the situations or willing to, be a little flexible in their routine or in their life. So I feel like your person sees you might be dealing with another Aries because this is Aries card only. So the Emperor is like somebody who's very adamant and they have their own set of rules. They live by their own rules. They are not ready to, change for anybody. So they see you as somebody who is not flexible enough, not, adaptable or not easily changeable. Okay. What your person feels about you. What your person feels about you. These new cards are little slippery. What your person feels about you. Let's see. Aries, what your person feels about you. Ace of Pentacles. They want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to offer you something very solid. They're feeling like this. Okay. Okay, so I'm not saying they're coming with a solid offer as of yet, but they feel like coming towards you, giving this pentacle to you, giving this offer to you, giving this a solid brand new start to you in your life. Maybe you guys had a fight, maybe you guys were not talking to each other, but now they are ready to have this brand new relationship, but now they are feeling this urge to start again. Okay, what they want from this relationship, what they want from this relationship. Let's see. The Lovers, you could be dealing with a Gemini. So all they want from this relationship is love, beautiful love relationship. I don't feel like commitment or something like that right now, but all they want from this relationship is lots of love, lots of care, lots of nurturing, lots of cuddling, beautiful things. And I feel like lots of physical intimacy as well from you. Okay, that is what they want from this relationship. And the outcome from their side, or what to expect from this person till 10th of May, we will clarify the cards further. Okay, what to expect from this person till 10th of May is the Hanged Man. No action, no reaction, no action. They are not doing anything. They are just evolving from something. They are just trying to keep things under wrap right now. Maybe they are just trying to keep their feelings under wrap. They are trying to see this whole scenario, this whole connection with a new perspective. And they're trying to figure out the ways to come to you and talk to you about this particular situation, Aries, to be very honest. Okay, let's clarify the cards further. We will get a better outcome, a better scenario of your situation. So let's clarify first your partner's energy. Your partner's energy is the Queen of Cups. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups. Page of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Two of Wands. I feel like after this person is waiting for something to happen. They have lots of passion. They want to tell you that, they want to communicate it to you that they have lots of passion for you. They want to have a brand new beginning with you, and they're spying on you somewhere. Might be they are watching your steps, might be they are spying you online or on social medias or something like that. And then they are on the verge of a decision. They want to take a decision. They want to They want to make a solid decision regarding this particular connection. Okay, Aries, that is why they are feeling little emotional. They are feeling like, yes, because the feelings are of page of wands, because the feelings are like developing in them, and these are kind of overwhelming for them, because I feel like in the past they were not feeling this queen of cups energy, is a beautiful loving energy and nurturing energy. Now they care for you, now they love you, now they are in this zone of, yes, I need this person in my life, now I feel like, yes, this person is important for me, and that is why they want to offer you a solid, they want to offer you. Okay, I don't see them coming towards you, but they want it. Okay, this is what is happening, Aries, till the 10th of May. So the Queen of Cups is clarified by all these cards. So these cards are definitely telling me that these feelings are developing and they are on the verge of making a decision. Okay, they are on the verge of, Two of Wands for me is making a decision, and they have made a decision that they want you in their life, but right now maybe they are holding back. Okay, so let's clarify the Emperor. How they see you is the Emperor. So they see you as the Emperor. They see you as somebody who's rude, adamant, and who is not able to, adapt, or who is not willing to change according to the situation. Or you might be, adamant on some situation. You're like standing your own ground. You're saying my rule is, my way is the only way. This is how it's going to work out. That is why they are seeing you like this. So let's clarify the Emperor, the Tower, Knight of Swords, and the Death. Oh my God. I feel like they see you in this light because you have gone through a lot in your life, Aries. You have gone through a lot. You have gone through a breakup. You don't want to rush into anything, and that is why you have changed a lot. You have transformed into something brand new, and that is why you are behaving like this. That is why you are behaving like an emperor. That is why you are behaving somewhat rude and somewhat, off, emotionally off towards them, and you are making them feel like you are not at all interested in this relationship, might be, or if you're interested, then you are having your own sets of rules and regulations about this particular connection, and that is why they are seeing you like this. So you have gone through a sudden change in your life, a sudden attack, or some kind of, um, sudden breakup, or something happened. There was some kind of sudden thing that actually happened in your life, and that made you feel like, I don't want to rush into anything in my life, I just want to take it slow. And that is why you have changed a lot after this sudden realization, after this attack, or after this, I'm not telling, I'm not saying about heart attack or something. It is kind of attack, like there's something suddenly, there's something that came out in light suddenly, and that shocked you a lot. And that is why you are trying to not rush into anything, and that is why you have transformed into something very, very adamant, and very, very kind of rude to other people. You have your own set of rules and regulations. Okay, but they feel about you is the Ace of Pentacles. So you have to use this deck for the clarification, sorry. So Ace of Pentacles, their feelings for you is the Ace of Pentacles. So let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as their feelings for you. The Queen of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Knight of Pentacles. Wow, this person is more than ready. They're slowly and surely they're coming towards you, because now the events are turning in your favor. Now the wheel is turning in your favor. Now the luck is turning in your favor, and your luck is changing, and they are coming towards you slowly but surely. See, they are very, very sure about this relationship right now. They are sure that they need you in their life. They want to have a brand new start with you. They feel like this relationship, deserves a second chance, and they want to offer you a very, very solid committed relationship, because this is the Queen of Pentacles. So it is a very, very stable energy, and the wheel is turning in your favor, the luck is turning in your favor, and they're coming towards you slowly. They're very slow to approach you because they might be fearing rejection or something, but they are coming towards you. This is the best thing. This is their feeling for you is very, very beautiful. Their feelings for you is like, yes, I want to offer this person solid commitment. Wow, this is beautiful feeling. So what they want from you is a lover's card. They want love from you. They want physical intimacy with you. They want that attraction in this relationship back, might be, if you guys are not on talking terms, or if you guys are separated by any chance. So all this person wants is love from you. The lovers is the card of love, physical beauty, intimacy, and the angels are blessing this relationship. This is beautiful. So all they want is love from you, and all they want is blessings from the divine for this connection. Okay, let's clarify the lovers further. Knight of Cups, Judgment, and the Three of Cups. Yes. So I feel like this person, I told you, this person is having lots of love feelings for you, lots of beautiful feelings for you, and they want the forgiveness from you. I feel like there was something that happened in the past, and you might be acting weird with this person, you might be acting cold and off with this person, and that is why they're seeking forgiveness from you. They are hoping that you forgive them, and then there will be reconciliation from your side. And after this reconciliation, there will be love in this relationship again. Okay, this is the whole story of what they want from you. They want love from you because they feel like there's love in this relationship a lot from their side, and there is some kind of forgiveness required in this relationship to work out. And there will be, after this forgiveness is accepted, after this forgiveness is being told to you, now there will be a reconciliation, there will be happiness after all this drama is gone, after all this forgiving and forgiven thing is happening. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Hanged Man. I told you this. Although they want to give you this solid relationship and commitment offer, they see you as somebody who is not ready for this right now. They see you as somebody who is like acting might be cold and off right now, and that is why they are holding back till the 10th of May. I don't see them coming towards you and telling you this, but behind the scenes, this all things are going on behind the scenes. So the Hanged Man, let's clarify the Hanged Man. Why is the Hanged Man is here? Why the Hanged Man is here for you guys? The High Priestess, the Sun, and the Chariot. Yeah. So they are now listening to their intuition that that you are their happiness. Now they want to move towards you, and now they are brave enough to move towards you. Now they are planning and plotting that they want to move towards you and come towards you and tell you that they love you and they want you in their life. They are trying to seek some kind of forgiveness from you, and that is why they are just planning and plotting as of now till 10th of May, and that is why they are not taking any kind of actions, and that is why they are stuck. Okay, that is why they are little off, little distant from you. Okay, so this is what is happening in this relationship, in this whole scenario of the connection between you and your partner, Aries. This is the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Swords. So there's something that was hidden maybe, and that came to light, and that thing made this relationship a little sour. You are sour. I don't know how you pronounce it. So I feel like this relationship is going through a testing time right now, Aries, and this person will eventually come out and talk to you. But I feel like this person will come to you after 10th of May, maybe, or in the mid of May. This person is definitely coming towards you with a solid offer, and they want to offer you very, very beautiful thing. Okay, let's pull one card from Love Oracle deck and see. Let's pull one card from Love Oracle deck for you guys till 10th of May. So if this is not happening right now, this is a predictive reading from 1st of May till 10th of May, Aries. So it will resonate with you in that time, okay? Come back to this video and see it again if you want to at that time, okay? So one card for my dear Aries till 10th of May, one message from the universe, Love Oracle deck. What's coming towards them? Ending, spring, new beginnings, growth, change, liberation. Yes, you are going through this phase of your life, Aries. Endings will bring new beginnings to you, okay? And there is growth, change, liberation, and transformation at your part, Aries. I hope you can see this. I hope you can see this. So thank you so much for tuning in. And I tried a new style of reading today. I hope you will like it. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you and how the reading goes. Thank you. Namaste.